So on my way here to the AT&T, and first impressions of Dallas, very clean. Feels very safe, very comfortable, very friendly, very polite, very expensive. Very affluent. There's a lot of varies in there. Very nice too. Here's another example of some of the architecture down here. That's the First Presbyterian Church there. Pretty amazing. Looks more like a Masonic hall. Although I'm sure there's a close connection politically, historically. This is a typical park you see. So you've got all these condos and high-rise parks, broad towers, and yet you have nice green space. And from what I've read and heard, there's more restaurants here and parks than there is in New York City. Now you do get a few homeless people, which you'd see in every big city. Well, I just arrived at the AT&T Discovery District. Take a walk through here shortly. Cool day, nice day for walking around in shorts, I tell you. Probably, I'm going to say 24 Celsius, maybe what's that, maybe 72 Fahrenheit today versus yesterday, which is very humid here in Dallas. Wow, look at that big old building. That's interesting. Yoga in the park. Lots of security here. Cowboy chow. That sounds interesting. It's supposed to be quite a place tonight. Maybe we'll come back later on. There's a cowboy fit store. My buddy Eric wants a cowboy hat, which he says are unavailable. The style he wants in Canada. I just spoke to the officer back there, and I can't believe the equipment he has on. He has enough equipment like he's about to start like trying to prevent a riot, but I find it very safe here, and I told him that they're doing a really good job of keeping the tourists safe. Very impressed with what I see of Dallas. I don't feel threatened at all. I find it very peaceful. And here at the AT&T Discovery District, oh, that's pretty cool right there. Hold Up Networks. They've got another nice little restaurant right here. Or restaurants, I should say. Pretty good. And a water. How's business here? Pretty good?
Yes, sir.
I won't get you on the camera. I'll just...
I may break it.
Yeah, okay, no problem. That's good.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, no, it's... I love Dallas. All right, walking down Main Street, and it looks like this bar... Oh, it looks like ye old Scarlet Pumpernickel Tavern. Looks pretty cool. Maybe I'll come back there later. Dallas Stars hockey team flag outside it. I haven't seen that before. It looks like a robot delivery vehicle. Uber Eats. Very cool. Great idea. Old-fashioned McDonald's, or old-fashioned style of McDonald's. Head to the Reunion Tower right there. Grab some lunch here shortly. Quiet day, Saturday. The day after Easter Friday. This is the John F. Kennedy Memorial Plaza, where he was assassinated by Lee Harvey Oswald in that building just beyond the trees, and possibly others. All right, gonna go up to Reunion Tower here shortly. Have some lunch up there. Just waiting for it to open right now, but I've already got my ticket in hand, so go from there.
It is 470 feet in the air. Right now, the view it gives us is within 32 miles away. We do have telescopes outside, restrooms inside the inside, If you took photos, make sure to scan the ticket barcode upstairs, type in your email. All photos should be delivered to your email in 10 minutes. If you do purchase any physical copies, they'll be ready downstairs.
All right, get a view of Dallas here from Reunion Tower. On top of Dallas at the Reunion Tower. On the skyline. Surprisingly, a lot of green space around Dallas. Lots of traffic, lots and lots of traffic. And I thought Toronto had traffic. And there's some of the buildings right there. Bank of America, Fountain Place, Trammell Crow Tower, and Renaissance Tower. Quite a skyline. One thing you notice about here in Dallas is there appears to be a lot of green, but if you look closely, it's all AstroTurf. And there we go, there's Pegasus right there. Behind the Pegasus is Reunion Tower where I just came from. And I'm heading over to the Pioneer Park right now. And maybe grab some lunch over that way. Pioneer Plaza, Dallas, Texas. One of the main landmarks here. What a beautiful little park. It's getting kind of humid though right now in Dallas. It was very nice this morning. Simulating the cattle crossing the creek on a cattle run by the original pioneer settlers of this area. Very similar history to the likes of Calgary, Alberta. Here's some background history on the Pioneer Park here. Right back here at Main Street, heading to an Irish bar called the Crafty Irishman. And there it is down there. The Crafty Irishman. They named a bar after me. I like the way they mark off all the other Irish pubs in the area. So you could get like a whole Irish pub crawl happening. Maybe tonight, let's see. Just inside the Crafty Irishman here. Pub they named after me. And I think I'm probably going to go with the brunch, which would be Farmer's Omelette or something like that. Or the Uncle Sammer. The Uncle Sammy. Here's their brunch. Farmer's skillet. Nothing says Dallas, Texas like a Palestinian protest.